If you're looking to streamline your project collaboration, SuiteDash's client portal is an excellent tool to help you manage client relationships, communication, and workflow all in one place. In this quick explainer, I'll walk you through exactly how to use SuiteDash's client portal for project collaboration, and stick around until the end, where I'll share a competitor that may better fit your needs. First, let's start with the dashboard. Once you log in, you'll be presented with a simple and intuitive layout. You can quickly access everything from project details, task assignments, to invoices and payments. The layout is clean, but some users find that it lacks a bit of polish compared to other software in the same category. It's functional, but not as visually appealing as some competitors, which might be a deal breaker if design is a top priority for you. Next thing, SuiteDash makes communication easier by integrating messages directly into the platform. Clients can comment on tasks, projects, and invoices, which keeps everything organized. No more email chains getting lost or needing to track down messages. But one thing to note, if you're working with a larger team or multiple clients at once, the messaging feature can get a bit overwhelming. It's definitely not the best option if you're managing complex conversations with multiple threads. The third thing you'll want to check out is task management. In SuiteDash, you can assign tasks to clients, set deadlines, and even track progress. This can really help keep everyone on the same page. However, some users report that task management feels a bit rigid. You can't fully customize task views, and the system might feel restrictive if you're looking for something highly flexible. Now, let's talk about file sharing. SuiteDash lets you upload and organize files, making it easy for your clients to access necessary documents. However, it does have limited integration with third-party apps compared to other project management tools like Asana or Monday.com. So, if you rely heavily on external tools, that could be a limitation for your team. Moving on, SuiteDash does offer invoicing and payment features directly within the client portal. You can generate invoices, accept payments, and track client balances all in one place. It's incredibly convenient, but a word of caution. Some users feel that the invoicing system could be more robust. If you need advanced accounting features, this might not be enough. Finally, SuiteDash's automation tools are a standout feature for client communication and project tracking. You can set up automatic reminders, notifications, and more to keep your workflow running smoothly. But like other features, automation can feel basic compared to industry leaders like ClickUp or Zoho. So, what's the catch? Well, SuiteDash is great for small to mid-sized businesses looking for all-in-one project management and client collaboration. If you're looking for something more intuitive or feature-rich, there are better alternatives. But don't worry, I've got you covered. At the end of the day, SuiteDash might work for some, but there are other tools out there with more advanced features, smoother user experience, and better scalability, especially if you're looking for more complex collaboration needs. But here's the deal. Through the link below, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial to SuiteDash. Plus, I'll also show you a couple of alternatives that better align with the goals of this video, each offering a free trial, too. Make sure you grab the best deal through our link, because you won't find these exclusive benefits anywhere else.